Hey guys, it's Cole from Burke Peaks here. I have a whole bunch of differentials in front of me, and we have lockers that we are gonna put in this 2008 Porsche Cayenne Turbo behind me. I have an OEM e-locker from Porsche. This is actually the guts of one, and what these are is a electronic actuated posi traction rear end. So there's a bunch of clutch packs in the back here that are activated by this motor in the differential. This differential has its own control module in the car and monitors a lot of data from the vehicle and the CAN bus network, and it'll actually disengage if the fluid temperature gets too hot. Behind me, I have a differential for the front that's been retrofitted with a Eaton e-locker. This is a Detroit e-locker that is actuated by a 12-volt signal and locks this two together. What does a locker do to our car? It allows both wheels to spin at the same time and not slip. This gives us extra traction and allows us to get a lot more places on the trail. So we're gonna put these differentials in this Porsche Cayenne Turbo behind us, and we're gonna go test them out.